How can I troubleshoot my Nighthawk router connectivity issue?
Hello everyone! In today's tutorial, we're going to walk through some common troubleshooting steps for Nighthawk router connectivity issues. Connectivity problems can be frustrating, but don't worry, we're here to help. So, let's get started.
Are all cables properly connected?
First things first, we need to check if all the cables are properly connected. Make sure your router's power cable is securely plugged into a power outlet and that the Ethernet cables connecting your router to your modem and devices are secure.
Is the router power on?
Next, you should check if your router's power is on. The power indicator light on the router should be lit. If it's not, try unplugging the router, waiting a few seconds, and then plugging it back in again.
Is the firmware up to date?
Sometimes, the router's firmware may need an update. To check this, log into your Nighthawk router's admin panel. If a firmware update is available, you should see a notification. Following the instructions to update the firmware could solve your connectivity problem.
Have you tried resetting the router?
If you're still having issues, it might be time to reset your router. To do this, locate the reset button, usually at the back of the router, press and hold it for about 10 seconds, then release it. Wait for the router to reboot. This will return the router to its factory default settings, and you'll need to set it up again.
Are there any interference sources?
Finally, keep in mind that Wi-Fi signals can be affected by physical obstructions and electronic interferences. Things like thick walls, microwaves, and cordless phones can weaken your Wi-Fi signal. If possible, place your router in a central, open location, away from these types of interference. That's it for this tutorial. Hopefully, these steps help you resolve your Nighthawk router connectivity issue. If you're still having trouble, you may need to contact Netgear support for more assistance. Thanks for watching, and happy troubleshooting!